Unit 2, Lesson 4 and 5, Subtracting with Regrouping. I can use two ways to subtract. The first way is counting down, and the second way is counting up. A simple example, counting down is like 10 minus 7. What I will do in counting down is that I will go back with numbers. What's before 10? 9, 8, 7. So I count down 3 numbers. So the answer is 3. But the second way, which is counting on, I will start from the subtrahend here, which is the 7, and count on till I reach the 10. After 7, 8, 9, 10. So the answer is 3 also. Why I do it with an easy numbers? Only to recognize what is counting down and what is counting up. But can I use it in the same way with big numbers? There will be a little difference in the method. So I can use in big numbers a number line to help me. Using number line with decomposing strategy. Can you remember decomposing strategy? It means breaking the number. Instead of saying 237, I can make it as 200 plus 30 plus 7. So, the first way, if I want to make 263 minus 135, first, I have to draw a number line without marks. Then write the minuend. Minuend means the greater number or the first number in the subtraction equation at the right side on the number line. So after putting the minuend or 263 on the right side of the number line, we will decompose the subtrahend number or the small number, which is 135. Decomposing means I will break 135 into 100 plus 30 plus 5. Then, third step, I will make hops on the number line to subtract, or I will go back on the number line or count down on the number line. Let's see how we can do this. We have the minuend here, 263, or the big number. Now, I have to go back 135, but I will make it on steps or on hops. First, I will go back 100 steps. So, before starting, 100 steps mean that only the 100th place will change. It will go down by 1. So instead of 2, it will be 163. If you noted the difference. Then, now I will go back 30. 30, it's a 10th number. So this means that the only number that will change, the 10th number, it will be less by 3. So let's go back 3 tenths. Before 163, 153, 143, 130, 3. Now it's time to subtract the ones. Let's go back 5 steps. I can count back 5, like before 133, 132, 131, 130, 129, 128. Or we can do it like that. 263 minus 100, 163 as we said, then minus 30, the tens will be less by 3, so it will be 133, but I can break the ones into 3 and 2. I have 5 in the ones place, I can break it into 3 and 2. Why into 3 and 2? Because if I subtract 3, it will be 130, and then it's easier to go back these 2 steps to be 128. Another example, but with counting on. What we will do, we'll draw a number line without marks, but we will start here with the subtrahend. Subtrahend is the small number in the subtraction problem. And then we will count on to reach the minuend or the big number. I will use the hops again. So 134, this is the 100th number. So first I will start to hop by 100. If I hop another 100, I will be on 234. If I hopped another 100, I will be on 334, and this number will be greater than 324. So I can't hop by 100 anymore. Now let's try to hop by tens. I have 2 ways. I can add 6 to make it a 10 number, 240, and then keep counting by tens. 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300. And then I can add 24. But how can I know the difference now? To know the difference, you have to add all the numbers up here. And it will be equal to 190. Now, let's subtract with regrouping. Find the difference. 74,765 minus 26,591. Take care. In any place value, the up number must be greater than the down one. 5 minus 1 equal? We can count on from the 1 to reach the 5. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I count on 4 steps. So the difference between them is 4. Let's go to the tens place. Can I take 9 tenths from 6 tenths? Of course not. The up number must be greater in value. What I can do here? I can borrow. I can ask the next place value to give me 1. So, in the next place value we have 700. It will give us 100, so it will be 6. and the 6 in the tens place. It will be 16 tenths now. Now, can I make 16 minus 9? Yes, of course, we can count on after 9 to reach 16, and the answer will be 7. Now, the hundredth place. 6 minus 5 equal 1. Thousand place. Can I make 4,000 minus 6,000? Of course not. So I will borrow or take from the 10,000 place. We have here 7 in the 10,000 place. It will be 6 because I will take 10,000 from it. And now we have 10,000 and 4,000, so it will be 14,000. 14 minus 6 equal, count on from 6 to 14, so it will be 8. And finally, 6 minus 2 equal 4. I want to check if my answer is correct or not. We have an easy way to check our answer. I can round the number to the nearest thousand. So, remember rounding. The first number is 74,765. If I want to round it to the thousand place, first step, find the place. Look next door. Greater than 5 or less? Yes, the number in the next door is greater than 5. So it will round up the 4. The 4 will be 5. Numbers behind 0 is your name. Numbers in the front stay the same. Hope you remember it. So it will be 75,000. What about the subtrahend 26,591? If I round it to the nearest thousand, it will be 27,000. Now, let's subtract 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. Can I make 5 minus 7? Of course not. So I will borrow from the next place value. Here it will be 6, and the one I took, I will put it here in front of the 5. Let's write it in a clear way. It will be 15. Now 15 minus 7 makes 8. 6 minus 2 equal 4. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.